In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot with HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what to click, and how to customize the experience so it feels on brand and helpful to your visitors. Begin inside your HubSpot portal and look toward the top left of the screen. There's a search bar there. Type in chat flows and select chat flows from the results. This takes you straight to the area where you manage automated conversations and live chat experiences. Next, look to the top right and click Create Chat Flow. HubSpot will ask you to choose a channel. You can build a website chatbot, a mobile chatbot, or a Facebook Messenger chatbot. Pick the option that matches where your audience will interact with you most. Each channel has its own setup flow and options, so follow the on-screen prompts as you go. The process is guided and you can't really break anything, so take your time and read each description. If you choose a website chatbot, you'll immediately get the chance to customize the look and feel of the chat widget. Adjust the style and color so it aligns with your brand. Aim for a color with good contrast so text remains readable, and choose a widget position that won't block important content. Small visual tweaks here make a big difference in how professional the chat feels. You'll also configure the availability of the chat flow. This determines when the chat appears to visitors. Set it to reflect your business hours or team availability, and decide what should happen when you're offline. Clear rules here help users know what to expect, and it keeps conversations timely and manageable. Next, craft your chat headings and welcome messages. Think of these as your first impression. Keep the heading short and clear, and write a welcoming message that sets the tone, explains how you can help, and invites a simple response. Friendly and direct language encourages engagement and reduces drop-off. As you make changes, check the preview. This lets you see exactly what visitors will experience before anything goes live. Use the preview to verify colors, spacing, and message flow. If something looks off or sounds unclear, tweak it now. Finally, you'll see the embed code for a website chatbot. This is the snippet you'll use to place the chat on your site. Keep it handy for yourself or your web admin, and follow your site's usual process to add code. And that's it. You found chat flows, created your chat flow, selected the right channel, customized the appearance and messaging, reviewed the preview, and grabbed the embed code if you chose a website chatbot.